Hi guys, welcome back or welcome to my channel. If you're new here, my name is Estulvina and today we are going to do a fall themed inspired makeup look. This is the makeup look that I came up with just on the spot. It has some glitter, it's got those brown leaf colors. I was just very excited to start this with the leaves already falling in my area. It looks like fall is coming soon and that makes me very happy because fall is a very happy season for me and I love it so much. I was very excited to do a look like this today. If you guys are interested in how I achieved this look, let's go ahead and get started. Today, to start off the eyes, I'm gonna do something a bit different. I'm actually gonna go in with some primer just to see if that helped not have any creasing happen in my eyelid area because that does tend to happen quite a bit. So I'm gonna go in with primer, then concealer, and then I'm going to put powder over it. Just that way, again, there's no creasing. I just wanna see if this method works because it's something I never even thought about doing before. I just really wanna rub it into the skin to make sure it's really on there and really just set into my eyelids. And then I'm actually gonna take powder first and set that down. And now is where I will take just a tiny bit of concealer and put it over everything just to give it a really good base for this makeup look to stick to, because I think today I'm wanting to play with some glitter. And I think that turned out really, really nice. Okay guys, I brought you in extremely close to my eyes just so that we can go over it together, and that way you guys can see really clear and upfront the colors that are working together and just how to put it on your eye. So we are just going to start with a very neutral transition color, and we're just going to go ahead and put that into our crease area. So I think right now we're gonna go ahead and take a brown color and we're just gonna pack it all over the lid. This will help give us a base so that when we put the glitter down, there's no creasing between the glitter and it all just really comes together. I'm just gonna take like a chocolatey deep brown. When I think of fall, the first thing I think of are like three main colors are brown, orange, and gold of what I think of. And so I wanted to incorporate that into the look today. And I don't wanna bring the brown any higher than my natural eye socket area, just so that we can take other colors later on and try to blend it upward. I like to bring the shadow even more out and kind of make it a messy look almost, just because I can clean it up later and I won't have to add more eyeshadow over there if I need it later on. Once you feel like they're relatively the same, then we can move on to step number 2. I'm going to actually add an orange on top of it to give it some orange tone. For this look, I don't think you need any specific eyeshadow palette. As long as you have the colors, I think the colors will just come out fine no matter what palette it is in, because right now I'm using 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 different palettes. As long as you just have the colors, just work them together. Like I said, I'm just taking the orange and I'm kind of outlining where we ended the brown to kind of fuse it together. And I like to bring the colors all the way into the inner corner as well, just so everything is blended. And I'll just deepen up the outer, mid to outer corner and leave that inner corner a little bit kind of buffed out already, so that to me it just looks like a better transition between all the colors. And then to blend that orange out, I'm going to take an even fluffier brush, dip into some yellow, and try to blend that out. Now the yellow, I don't mind if you see too much, just because I'm only using it to blend out the harshness of the orange. If you feel like you lost the orange, go ahead and go back in with it and just redo the same thing we just did. And that will be all the colors that we're going to use to kind of diffuse everything and blend it all out. Now will be the fun part. We're actually going to go in with some glitter. I'm going to be taking a glitter from my Exotic Pop palette. This is from King Beauty. If you guys haven't seen my review, I will link it up above. But this glitter is absolutely beautiful because it is orange with reflex of red and gold in it, and the glitter I used last time from them popped really well, so I'm very excited to use this. Oh, it is just so beautiful. So I'm actually going to take it on my finger and I'm going to press it in the middle of my lid, but now I'm actually going to take it on a pencil so it doesn't get too messy. I'm just taking a flat brush, dipping it in that same glitter, and that way we can kind of make almost a cut crease but not trying too hard. And we're gonna bring it almost to the edge, but not entirely, because we're gonna deepen up that outer corner and probably help make the other colors pop by redoing them. I'm actually surprised by how much glitter is actually picked up from the brush in this palette. That's why I really like it, because yes, there's gonna be fallout, but it's super easy to clean up. I think that looks pretty good for now. I'm just gonna clean the glitter up. So right now, like I said, we're gonna go back in with the original colors we used. Go ahead and go back in with that orange. Because we're gonna deepen up the brown, I don't wanna reapply that brown. Start on the outer and work my way in. I'm mainly gonna stick to working with the outer portion of the eye, the outer corner, so that we can make that pop, because the glitter's already doing its job and focusing a lot of the attention to the inner corner. So we just wanna help that outer corner a bit so that it balances everything out. Like I said, we were going to be adding the darker brown to deepen up the outer corner. So go ahead and grab a darker brown than what we used in the first place and start near your lower lash line and kind of just bring that upwards into the glitter and kind of just blend it out right on that outer corner. I'm just going to take a little bit more of that glitter and kind of blend it together even more with the dark brown that we just applied. Okay guys, now I finished my base makeup. We're gonna go back in with the eyeliner and we are going to finish the eyes. I'm just going to be drawing on a simple wing. And because I am super lazy and don't want to mess with lash glue, I'm actually just going to go back over the eyeliner with Kiss's lash glue liner, and that way the lashes just can have something to stick to and it'll be quick and easy for me. The lashes I'm taking today are the Kiss Lash Couture Faux Mink collection. They are in Jubilee, and I kind of wanted to opt for a more fuller lash to see how that would look on me, because I tend to stick to natural looking lashes. So I was pretty excited to try these out. I think I do like the more kind of dramatic, fuller eyelash on me. I picked Jubilee specifically because it goes short to longer on the eyelash, and that's kind of what I look for. So once we're done with lash and liners, the last thing for us to do is to just work on the lower lash line. And to do that, we are going to go in with a dark brown and start from there. And for the bottom lash, I'm actually feeling like going in with a bit of color. So I'm going to take like a burgundy red tone and just very lightly go under the brown and smoke it out even more. And if you want to help the eyeliner a bit, go in with an angled brush and kind of just blend in some black eyeshadow with the eyeliner you put on top, and it'll just tie everything together. And now we are done with the eyes. So I'm going to zoom you back out and then we're going to look at the full look. So this is how the eyes look from a little bit farther away, but one thing I forgot to finish is the lips. So today I'm going to take the Infallible Pro Matte Gloss by L'Oreal Paris, and this is in the shade Nude Allude. Guys, I love this product from L'Oreal because it goes on. It just feels so creamy and souffle-like, and it is just a beautiful consistency. It does go on very creamy, like I mentioned earlier, but it does dry matte, and so that's what I love about this formula. Not only that, I adore the color a lot. I would definitely check out the Infallible Pro Matte Gloss selection. It is just a really, really great consistency, and I love how it goes on, and I love their color selection. So guys, that is it for today's look. I hope you love it. I actually really like how this look turned out. I think it is so pretty, so fall-like. I love fall colors, and it's so fun to come up with your own kind of fall look for yourself. And I hope this one was really easy to follow along with and it came out great. What do you guys like most about this look? Do you like the lip color combo with it? Would you change anything else? Do you like playing with glitter? Let me know down below in the comments. I want to interact with you guys as much as I can. I'm very excited to bring you more fall tutorials if that's something that you like. Thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you have a great day, and I will see you in my next one. Bye.